Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the 1 GB USB data transfer rate speed test comparison between the OnePlus 8T versus Moto H20 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare. The main reason why I'm comparing with this OnePlus 8T is that the OnePlus 8T has got the Type-C port, which is third generation 3.1 Type-C. And whereas the Moto H20 has got the second generation only, which is old generation, which is quite common in the mid-range segment and most of the mobile phones as well. This is a second generation Type-C port. So there's a huge difference between Type-C's 2.0 version versus Type-C 3.1 version. So in this test, this makes a lot of difference as well. So this is a 1 GB data transfer rate. I'll try to transfer from pen drive to the mobile phone. So this is a two test process. First, from USB pen drive to the phone, and from phone to pen drive. I'll try to transfer the 1 GB file. So first, let me try to start connecting to the OnePlus 8T. So this test mostly depends upon the what type of Type-C port only. It doesn't require any kind of UFS storage. UFS storage read and write doesn't need to do anything here. Only the Type-C port need to be very much latest one and very powerful one. And this is a default file manager which I'll try to use during this process of testing as well. And I won't use any other third-party file manager. So it's a USB storage, and I'll try to copy one file which is 1 GB kind of file. So let me to go to the copy, and I'm trying to paste in the internal storage. As you can see, internal storage. In this internal, some alarm folders, doesn't matter. And as soon as I click paste, I'll try to start the stopwatch at same time. 1, 2, and 3. You should be able to see the data transfer rate, how it's happening, how quick it's happening. So how many seconds it takes actually. In 7 seconds of time, this close to 1 GB file got transferred from USB pen drive to OnePlus 8T. 7 seconds only. So try to remember this time. That is the reason I did mention there's a huge difference will it be there between this one and this one. Huge, 10 times, like 5 to 10 times difference will it be there. And now the same file from the internal storage of the phone, same file, copy, and I'm going to the USB storage. USB storage, you can clearly read. And now I'll try to paste in this folder 1. Okay. Now let's see from phone to pen drive how much time it actually takes. 1, 2, and 3. 4 seconds of time. That's it. Yes. So this is the power of having this Type-C 3.0 port. 7 seconds and 4 seconds of time only. Yes. So if you want to transfer the huge amount of data, this should not take much, so many minutes. So it will finish within 1 minute of time. So 1 GB file only, friends, this much of only just 7 seconds and 4 seconds. Now see the difference, how much it can actually make 2.0 versus this 3.1. I'll try to use a default files only which came along with the phone, which is this files application. So now USB is detected, which is a USB Ultra USB 3.0. So let me to click on that one and then try to copy the same file which I did copy before in the OnePlus 8T. So let's copy the same file that's named with 0.95 GB will it be that kind of video file which I'm going to copy it right now. This is the same file which I copied just 1 minute back, that's why it's showing. So let me to copy it and copy to. Okay, I selected the copy to and going back. Let's see whether we get any kind of paste option or not. So after clicking the copy to, we got the copy which one we want. So I want to copy in the internal storage. Internal storage, which folder I want to copy. So let me just select some random folder. Maybe this folder I'll try to select audiobooks. And this is the internal storage in the Moto H20 only, friends. Internal storage, let's copy here. Let's see. So the file is copying at this moment, you can see, copying one file. So now let's just observe how much time it's going to take in this USB Type-C 2.0. So nowadays most of the companies, I'm not sure why they're not implementing this kind of Type-C 3.1, so which is very much required for this kind of data transfer rate speeds. You can see huge difference. So by using this Type-C 3.1, you will be able to connect to the external monitors or TVs as well using the Type-C to HDMI cable. It's pretty much easy and possible in the OnePlus 8T. So takes a lot of time. Same file, you can see, using the USB pen drive. Still it goes on 47 seconds. Copying one file. Still the message did not stop. Still, as you can see, friends, clearly in the Moto H20. Still is showing copying file only. As I said, there's a huge difference is there, and read and write copy speeds, I'm not sure why it's really low in the Moto H20 even when compared with the normal phones. I'll try to do another comparison side by side, you'll be able to understand. So using the pen drive, that's what I'm trying to say. Using the pen drive, you can see still it's showing copying one file, so it's going to take a lot of time. So in the Moto H20, you can see the difference, 7 seconds and 4 seconds versus this one, Moto H20. So these are the few things you should definitely remember before you actually buy and spend any kind of money on the investment on any smartphone. So in case if you're that kind of person who wants to transfer the data and everything frequently, then these are the things are most important. So it takes a lot of time in the Moto H20. Still it's not showing any kind of sign of saying completed. It's still showing copying one file. I'm not sure why it's taking so much of time. So I don't want to pause this video because you should see exact time in the stopwatch as well in the live demonstration what is happening with the Moto H20. But if it takes more time, then I need to pause the video. And so I'm not sure why it's taking so much of time. Finally finished around I think 2 minutes and 36 seconds or 35 seconds of time. I'll try to write down 35 seconds because I did not record, so that's why reason. So 2 minutes and 35 seconds of time the phone took to copy the file. That's kind of huge difference. As you can see friends clearly, this is what I'm trying to mention to you all. So how much difference will it make? And same file I'm trying to copy. So let me to copy the file. So from phone, from internal storage, from USB pen drive to phone, I did copy just now in the audiobooks, and same file I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste in the USB pen drive. Okay, USB pen drive in this second folder name, and from phone to pen drive I'm trying to copy. So now let's see what happens. How much time? 1, 2 and 3. So it will show that it's copying very fast, but it's not copying that much fast. After some time it will try to stop at the end. So again, this process is going to take a lot of time. So you need to have really very much patience while doing this kind of data transfer rates. If you are using this kind of 2.0 port or this Moto H20 speeds, you can clearly see how much kind of slow. I like to compare with other phones as well using the Moto H20 2.0 versus iQOO 7s or maybe Realme X1 Max or Poco F3 GTs, OnePlus Nord 2. In this you will be able to understand how much difference is there between this phone and those phones. So copying file. So it's been close to 1 minute and 28 seconds, but still it's still showing the copying file in the Moto H20. So finally it's finished the copying file just now. So 1 minute and 50 seconds of time it took overall to copy the file. So this is the complete reading strength of this Moto H20 and the OnePlus 8T. So 2.0 versus the 3.1 which is present in the OnePlus 8T. So there's a huge difference, 7 seconds and 4 seconds versus this minutes. As you can see, this is what I'm trying to mention clearly. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison, and in case if you want me to compare using Moto H20 with other phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do that kind of comparison. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.